today we are unboxing some products from SumoSprings International. This is the biggest one. This is package number 1. All right, see what we got here. All right, these are the instructions. These are the rear suspension on the truck. It is all the equipment needed. This is all the parts, and it shows you exactly how it goes. It's pretty straightforward. The worst we're going to probably need, it tells you right here what we're going to need as far as the parts. The 2500 HD Silverado 4x4, etc. So we'll go through that in detail later. All right, here are the mounting brackets with the bolts. Stainless steel, heavy duty, anti-slip on the bolts, on the nuts I should say. And yeah, high quality, heavy duty stuff. Let's check out. If you want to follow SumoSprings International, #JourneyBetter on their website, feel free to do so. You'll check out more of their products as they come out. And thank you for your order. All right, and we got a sticker. Hell yeah, we're going to use this. And another one. That's awesome. I hope people don't steal our products after we install them. It's that good. All right.
That's good. Oh,
absolutely. Bracket that goes on top. Both sides. Yep. So, that's awesome. It feels like they just painted them. Isn't that great? That's great. All right.
Oh, there's more.
More stuffing, more stuffing.
And I'm getting to the good stuff.
Oh, heck yeah. Okay, before we get to the final good stuff, let's check out one more bracket. Okay, that's awesome. Literally no fingerprints besides mine.
Super clean.
That's awesome. And a really, really good paint job on them. So the quality lasts a long time. You can feel nice thick layer of paint on there. All right, we got those. We got those. We're gonna make sure we don't scratch those up before installation. Here's the big boys. Hell yeah. I couldn't help it. Sorry, guys. But essentially, that's how it's going to work. So this is going to go on the top. This is going on the bottom. And all you're going to see is the spring back and forth. Which feels great. It feels so far. It's nice and bouncy. Anyways.
Solid.
Solid in a way. It's solid, but it's not. All right, these are pretty much all the products. Let's take them all out and put them on the table. Nice. And the brackets. So it's exciting. All right. Next you'll see is us installing them step by step using the instructions included in the package. But from what I can see, it should be fairly straightforward.